Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we're going to be making chicken shawarma pita pockets. So the first thing we're going to do is marinate our chicken. I have half a cup of olive oil here, and to that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of paprika, and then half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of coriander, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne. So that's our spice blend. So in the half a cup of oil, I just added all our spices. I added 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and we're going to use the juice of 2 lemons. So just squeeze that in. So after we made our marinade, we're going to add in our chicken. I sliced the chicken pretty thinly, like on a bias, because it'll be easier to cook and a lot more of the marinade will stick onto the chicken. I feel like it just brings a deeper flavor. I love slicing it on a bias, so I did that. And then I added roughly 2 cups of sliced onions. You can adjust the onions to your preference. I love onions, so I added a lot. But we're going to mix the onions with the chicken and the marinade all together. Now I just placed some saran wrap on it, and I'm going to pop it in the fridge for at least an hour, if not overnight. Overnight, the flavors will just meld together even better, but at least an hour. Now when you're ready to cook the chicken shawarma, I just added a few tablespoons of oil on the bottom of a large pot, and I'm just going to add our chicken into the pot, our chicken and onions. Once the chicken is in the pot, we're just going to saute it until the chicken is all cooked and brown. Now since we did cut the chicken pretty thinly, it shouldn't take too long to cook. I like having this extra sauce that's on the bottom, but you can always use a slotted spoon, and when you're removing it off the heat, you can take out that extra sauce. I feel like it gives a lot more flavor, but it's really up to you guys. I'm going to take it off the heat, place it into a bowl. Now to make our pita pockets, I'm using these Smart Pockets, but you can use any pita bread that you have. This is how it looks. They cut it in half for you already, and it's squared or rectangle, I guess. And then you can fill it with whatever accompaniments you want. I have roasted garlic hummus here. I have some tzatziki sauce, some black olives, some arugula, some romaine, and then of course we have our chicken. Just assemble, and I hope you guys can see how easy and quick that was, and it smells so good, you guys. I hope you guys try it out. Assalamualaikum.